Hello, Ava. So thank you for sending me the question. Let me just pull it up. So what you've sent me is, you said that the question gave you these two things. The probability of A and B is 0.2, and the probability of A and everything but B is 0.3. Okay, so I'll just firstly always draw this Venn diagram example so that you can visualize where all the probabilities stand. So we have P, A, and B is 0.2. That's very easy. It's just in the middle, right? P, A, and B dash. So A is all of this, and B dash is everything outside of B. So everything here, right? So everything here, and including A, that would be B dash, and A would just be everything in here. A and B dash means it's only in this part, 0.3. The question one was, that's all they give us. So question one was, what is the value of PA? Well, very easily, it's just 0.3 plus 0.2, right? And you got 0. Is it recording? Oh yeah, you got 0.5. Now it says, what is the probability of B? Well. So amongst the few formulas, this is one of the most easy formulas. It's simply probability of A and B should be equal to probability of A times probability of B, right? And this is for if they are independent events. Okay, so independent events are things that are not affected. So for example, rolling a dice, etc. Those are independent events because the happening of one does not affect the other. Sorry, that's my light shadow right here. Anyway, so what does that mean? So we have PA and B, we got 0.2 before, right? Is equal to PA, which is 0.5 times PB. And you got, so I have thingy. Okay, so PB, so now what do? We divide both sides by 0.5, which is essentially multiplying both sides by 2. So this would be 0.4 PB. And you got 2 out of 5. So, yep, basically the same thing. Good job. Okay. Given that A and B are independent, find PA or B dash. Okay, so we'll just fill that in. So PB is what we got here, 0.4. Okay, so this would be what? 0.2, right? Because they have to add up together to give PB. So we got 0.4. Okay, last answer, PA or B dash. Okay, since this is the last one, I'm just gonna highlight it for you. A or B dash. A is where? And because it's or, we can add them all together. A or B dash. Where is B dash? B dash is everything outside of B, so here. So I'm hay fever right now. So where is that? So it's basically everything except for the middle bit, right? Which is 0.4. Okay? So 1 minus 0.4 is what? 0.6, okay? And we know that PA is 0.5. So what is the probability of outside here? It will be 0.1, okay? Because we calculated that the whole thing has to add up to 1, right? That's where we get this from. 0.4 is PB, and we want everything outside of PB. So it's 0.6. And we just calculated what this outside bit was. And this outside bit is P, A, or B dash, okay? Think about that. I know it might take a long time to actually understand this, but that's essentially it. So P, A, or B dash is 0.1, which is everything outside. A is 0.5, B is 0.4, middle is 0.2, and that's how we got it. Okay, remember this formula for independent events. Thanks, Alva.